Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a truly extraordinary story for you, one that will not only inspire and motivate you, but also leave you in absolute awe. Let me ask you something. Have you ever imagined someone so ingenious, so ahead of their time, that their ideas could transform the world entirely? Well, if this person were alive today, he wouldn't just change the way we live, he'd redefine it. His thinking was so visionary that the world struggled to grasp it, but he never let doubt or disbelief hold him back. He chased his dreams relentlessly, proving to us all the power of perseverance and imagination. Today, we dive into the life of a man whose brilliance was unparalleled, whose ideas laid the foundation for modern civilization, the one and only Nikola Tesla. So get comfortable, and as you listen to this incredible story, you'll not only discover the life of this genius, but also improve your English with rich vocabulary and lessons that could reshape your own thinking. Nikola Tesla was born on July 10, 1856, in a small village called Smiljan, in what is now Croatia. His family lived a humble life. Tesla's father, Milutin Tesla, was a Serbian Orthodox priest, a man deeply devoted to his faith and intellectual pursuits. His mother, Duka Tesla, though uneducated, was an inventive genius in her own right. She created tools to make daily chores easier, and Nikola often credited her for his creativity and problem-solving skills. Even as a child, Tesla's curiosity was boundless. He was fascinated by the world around him, spending hours observing nature and conducting his own experiments. At just 5 years old, he built a water wheel out of sticks to harness energy. While it didn't work, it sparked a lifelong passion for innovation. Tesla's imagination was otherworldly. Once, while petting his cat by the fireplace, he noticed sparks of electricity. Though he didn't understand it at the time, it was his first encounter with the force that would define his life. Tragedy struck when Tesla was 7 years old. His older brother, Dane, whom the family adored, died in a horse-riding accident. This loss left a deep mark on Tesla, making him more introspective and focused on his studies. Tesla excelled academically, astonishing teachers with his photographic memory and ability to solve complex problems in his head. However, his intense dedication often affected his health. Despite this, Tesla's obsession with electricity grew during his high school years. Inspired by a book illustration of Niagara Falls, he dreamed of harnessing its power to generate electricity, a vision that would later come true. After high school, Tesla attended the Austrian Polytechnic School in Graz, where he dedicated himself to studying. He worked so tirelessly that he often forgot to eat or sleep, earning a reputation for his relentless pursuit of knowledge. Tesla's first major idea came during a class demonstration of a DC motor. While others admired the invention, Tesla boldly claimed he could create something far superior, a comment dismissed by his professor. But this challenge planted the seed for Tesla's revolutionary invention, the alternating current, AC motor. Tesla's journey was far from smooth. Financial difficulties forced him to drop out of university, and he experienced a nervous breakdown. Despite these hardships, Tesla's mind remained a powerhouse of ideas. One day, while walking in a park, he had a sudden vision of the AC motor, a design that would revolutionize the world. In 1884, Tesla arrived in America with just a few coins, a bundle of clothes, and a letter of recommendation for Thomas Edison, the famed inventor of the light bulb. Edison hired Tesla and challenged him to improve his DC system, promising $50,000 for his efforts. Tesla worked tirelessly and succeeded, But when he asked for the payment, Edison laughed, saying, "You don't understand American humor." This betrayal devastated Tesla, but he refused to give up. He believed in his vision of a better electrical system. After months of struggle, working small jobs to survive, Tesla finally met George Westinghouse, an inventor and businessman who believed in Tesla's AC system. Westinghouse provided financial backing, allowing Tesla to build his revolutionary inventions. The rivalry between Tesla's AC system and Edison's DC system became known as the War of the Currents. Edison attempted to discredit AC by claiming it was dangerous, even staging public demonstrations where animals were electrocuted. Tesla, however, countered by passing AC through his own body to light a bulb, proving its safety and efficiency. Tesla's victory came in 1893 when he and Westinghouse lit up the World's Fair in Chicago using AC. This achievement cemented Tesla's legacy and marked the beginning of a new era in electricity. But Tesla wasn't done. He fulfilled his childhood dream by building the world's first hydroelectric power plant at Niagara Falls in 1895, proving that renewable energy was the future. Beyond electricity, Tesla's mind was a treasure trove of ideas. He invented the Tesla coil, which became the foundation for wireless technology. He envisioned wireless communication long before the invention of mobile phones and Wi-Fi. He even dreamed of a global energy network that could provide free electricity to everyone, though this project was never realized due to lack of funding. Tesla's fascination with numbers 3, 6, and 9 reflected his belief in the universe's hidden patterns. He often said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe." These numbers symbolized creation, balance, and enlightenment, guiding Tesla's understanding of energy and vibrations. Despite his brilliance, Tesla's life was marked by loneliness and financial struggles. He never married, saying he had devoted his life to science. In his later years, he found solace in feeding pigeons, one of which he claimed was his closest companion. Nikola Tesla died in 1943, alone and nearly forgotten. But today he is celebrated as one of history's greatest inventors, a man whose ideas were decades, even centuries, ahead of their time. His life teaches us the power of vision, resilience, and thinking beyond limits. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this story as inspiring as I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's continue to explore the lives of extraordinary minds and learn lessons that can transform our own lives. See you in the next video.